The world watched with anticipation, eyes glued to screens and faces turned skyward. A new era in aerial combat was dawning, heralding advancements that would redefine the very nature of warfare in the skies. The United States Air Force, always at the forefront of innovation, sought a revolutionary fighter jet that could dominate any adversary. The Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD, program promised to reshape the skies with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled capabilities. Competition was fierce, with multiple defense contractors vying for the contract. The stakes were incredibly high, as the winner would secure not just a lucrative deal, but a place in history. This was not just about building an airplane. It was about integrating the latest in stealth, speed, and firepower into a single cohesive platform. It was about securing technological supremacy, ensuring that the United States would maintain its edge over potential adversaries. The victor in this race would shape the future of air power, setting the standard for decades to come. For the United States, it was about maintaining a strategic advantage on the global stage, ensuring that its military could respond to threats anywhere, anytime. The pressure was on, and the world waited with bated breath, knowing that the outcome of this competition would have far-reaching implications for global security and technological advancement. Boeing, an American aviation titan, faced this challenge head-on. Recent years had been difficult. The 737 MAX crisis had cast a long shadow. The company needed a win. NGAD was a chance for redemption. The company poured resources into its proposal. Engineers worked tirelessly. The future of Boeing might depend on this contract. The eyes of the world were upon them. The announcement came in 2025. The winner was Boeing. Their F-47 ENGAD design had triumphed. A $20 billion contract was awarded. This was a defining moment for Boeing. The F-47 ENGAD was more than just a fighter jet. It was a symbol of American innovation. A testament to the skill of Boeing's engineers, this victory signaled a potential resurgence for the company. For Section 4. Advanced capabilities, the F-47 ENGAD, a new apex predator. The F-47 ENGAD is a marvel of engineering, representing the pinnacle of modern aviation technology. It is the result of years of research and development, combining the expertise of the world's top aerospace engineers. It boasts unmatched speed and maneuverability, capable of performing complex aerial maneuvers with ease. The F-47 ENGAD can reach speeds that break the sound barrier, making it one of the fastest jets in the sky. Stealth technology makes it almost invisible to radar, allowing it to operate undetected in hostile environments. This advanced stealth capability ensures that the F-47 ENGAD can carry out missions with a high degree of success. Advanced sensors provide unparalleled situational awareness, giving pilots a comprehensive view of the battlefield. The heads-up display in the cockpit ensures that critical information is always within the pilot's line of sight. This is a new breed of fighter jet designed to meet the challenges of modern warfare. Its cutting-edge technology sets it apart from previous generations of aircraft. It is designed for the future of air combat, capable of adapting to evolving threats and mission requirements. The F-47 ENGAD can operate in a variety of combat scenarios, from air superiority missions to ground support. The F-47 ENGAD will be a game changer on the battlefield, providing a significant advantage to any military force that deploys it. Its advanced capabilities ensure that it will dominate the skies for years to come. Section 5. Reshaping the Skies, Boeing, ENGAD, and the Future of Warfare. In this chapter, we delve into the transformative impact of Boeing's latest innovation on the battlefield. The F-47 ENGAD will have a profound impact on aerial warfare. This state-of-the-art aircraft is designed to outmaneuver and outgun any adversary, ensuring air superiority in any conflict. Its advanced capabilities will redefine air dominance. With cutting-edge stealth technology, unparalleled speed, and precision weaponry, the F-47 ENGAD sets a new standard for military aviation. It could shift the balance of power in future conflicts. The integration of AI and autonomous systems allows for unprecedented strategic flexibility and operational efficiency. This victory secures Boeing's place in aviation history. For decades, Boeing has been at the forefront of aerospace innovation, and the F-47 ENGAD is a testament to their enduring legacy. It also ensures America's continued leadership in the skies. The F-47 ENGAD not only strengthens national defense but also reinforces the United States' position as a global aerospace leader. The future of air power has arrived, and it is shaped like the F-47 ENGAD. As we look to the skies, the F-47 ENGAD represents the pinnacle of modern military aviation, heralding a new era of aerial combat and strategic dominance.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.